This is a trailer-mounted trash bin cleaning machine featuring an operating pressure of 180 bar and a flow rate of 50 liters per minute. Powered by a diesel engine, it is highly convenient for outdoor operations. The unit is designed with a dual-station cleaning system. Each station operates independently, allowing for single or dual-station cleaning and the simultaneous washing of bins of different sizes as needed. A hydraulic lifting arm automatically raises and lowers the bins. Once the mechanical arm secures the bin, a 3D rotating spray nozzles clean the interior by rotating 270 degrees to remove grime. After the interior is cleaned, a high-pressure spray gun is used to wash the exterior. The machine supports hot water cleaning, which effectively removes oily residue and sanitizes the bins. Cleaning agents can also be added if required. It is equipped with a water recycling system that filters wastewater through a multi-stage, self-cleaning filtration unit for reuse. Please feel free to contact me for further details regarding product specifications.